அறிந்தும் அறியாமலும் தெரிந்தும் தெரியாமலும் செய்த சகல குற்றங்களையும் பாவங்களையும் மன்னித்து ரட்சித்து தாயத்து எமக்கு நிச்சயம் நீ அருள வேண்டும். 100 கண்ட ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா சரணம் சரணம் தா. 100 கண்ட ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா சரணம் சரணம் தா. 100 கண்ட ஸ்ரீ மகா பெரியவா சரணம் சரணம் தா. சரணம் சரணம் தா. சரணம் சரணம் தா.
To me, this bija that comes from this earth is nothing but the source, like we said, not only of life, but also that's where we all end as well. Bija, the truth.
सब जन में एक बीज से सबकी मिट्टी एक। सब जन में एक बीज से सबकी मिट्टी विद्यारूपे 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 विशालाक्षी 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 विद्यां देहि विद्यां देहि विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तु ते समगरि सनि धनि दम ग ग म म म द द नि 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 सनि धनि ग ग ग म म द द द नि 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 सनि धनि ग ग ग म म म द द द नि 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 सनि धनि सा
I'm so glad you invited me, and I'm so glad that I got to see this. First of all, a hearty congratulations. And I think I'm spellbound right now. There's a lot on my head. There's a lot that I'm taking back home. And I have a question for you. When you looked at all the art, was there a process that you went through when you were conceptualizing everything? How did you come up with an SOP or maybe a blueprint?
Yeah, so I kind of looked at my connection with the bija. What does bija mean for me? And how do I relate to it? Especially this one, actually. This one led me to it. This actually represents death, you know. In the Navarasas, the Shanta Rasa, which was introduced much later, we understand it that death is the final point of Shanta. Okay, so honestly, this is a sculpture that got me really thinking. You know, when I started connecting it to human emotions. And then when I realized that there was a point in time when all of us somehow get into that entanglement, everything seems bad. We don't like the state that we are in. We feel nobody likes us, or it's all just our own thoughts. I went through a certain phase like that at some point as well. So I said, you know, it's not anything else around me, it's actually me. Right? Something in me is making me look at life in a different way, whereas nothing has changed, which is what Kabir has said. So it's actually somehow we connect to our own personal experience and personal connection with what we see. And then the whole story starts falling into place for us. And I definitely thought there must be a concept of bija in the Bhagavad Gita. So I reached out to my friend Priya Hosea and I asked her, you know, she's well versed and well read of the Bhagavad Gita. So I reached out to her and she gave me certain context. And I also spoke to a few experts who are experts in the Kabir Vani and, you know, in the poetry, and realized that he's also saying the same thing that's coming to me. You know, so then in order to tell a story, everything needs a beginning. And for me, the beginning for everything, even my thinking, is divine intervention. Right? It's Goddess Saraswati who makes me think, who makes me want, right? Who plants that seed to seek. If I didn't want to seek, I wouldn't have even done this. And this process has taught me so much. I cannot come to tell you how much it has taught me. Just the making of this. And I was telling her the other day, I said, you know what, I'm already in bliss. You know, when I met her a few days ago, much before the program, I said, I'm already in bliss because this whole journey has made me realize so many things. As a person also, I think I've evolved. So to answer your question in a nutshell, it's always that personal connection. And then you make your own story to tell. So it's my conviction that you are saying.